Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel UrduFashionWorld. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe to it and hit the bell icon. You can find every upcoming video easily. So let's start our video. In today's video I have bought bracelets ideas for you. Watch my video till end. Try not to skip this video. This was helpful for you. So let's start our video. Bracelets are versatile accessories that can enhance any outfit and add a touch of personal flair on one's style. From simple and elegant to bold and eclectic, and there are countless bracelet ideas to explore. Classic charm bracelet, a timeless favorite. A charm bracelet can be customized with meaningful charms that presents triumphs and memories or interests. Tackle bangles mix or match different bangles in various colors, texture and materials for a stylish and trendy layer look. Leather wrap bracelet for a boho chic vibe. OPT for a leather wrap bracelet adorned with the beads, stones or metal accessories. Friendship bracelets show appreciation for your friends with handmade friendship bracelet using colorful threads or cord woven in create patterns. Cuff buttons bracelets make a bold statement with white cuff bracelets featuring engravings or endowed with gemstones. Birthstone bracelets celebrate your birth month with bracelets showcasing your birthstone or personalized. Remember, the key to selecting the perfect bracelet is to choose something smoothing that reflects your personality, style, and individually. Whether it's statement, a piece, or a suitable accessory, bracelet are an excellent way to express yourself and elevate your overall look. Health tracker bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, etc. Allah Hafiz.